Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. If your back is feeling tight and you need some relief, this Breathe and Reset Flow will help you unlock stiffness, ease back pain, and relax your body. You may use a cushion or a pillow for more comfort and support for your lower back. Let's begin by lying down on your back. Keep your knees bent. Rest your hands on your belly. Allow your back to feel comfortable against your mat. Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, side out. Inhale. Good. Let's do a gentle warm up for your back. Place your hands on your hips. We'll do some pelvic tilts. Inhale, arch your back. Press your lower back into the floor. Good. Exhale. Round your hips under and press your hips into your mat. Good. Continue to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Tuck your hips under. Let's do two more. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release your back and your hips toward the floor. Let's windshield wiper our knees from side to side. Opening that back up more. Good. Try to keep your back in alignment and try to keep it pressed to the floor. Good. Opening and releasing. Very nice. Go ahead and turn to the side. Push yourself up. Do some gentle spine movements. Come up to a tabletop. We'll do some cat and cows. You may use a blanket if you need some extra cushion for your wrists or for your knees. So let's inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Good. Inhale. Exhale, round. Pull that belly button in. Pull your back, opening and releasing tension. Very good. Exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Stretch back to a child's pose. Extend your arms out. Place your forehead on your mat just for a moment. Easy breaths in and out through your nose. Good. Come up, back to a tabletop. Needle with your right arm. Go under your left. Lay on your shoulder. And extend your other arm out in front of you. Try your best to relax and release into this stretch. Your whole body is being released here, including your shoulders, your entire spine. Good. Take a few breaths here. Very nice. Slowly come up Bring that left hand back and push up as support. Unthread the needle, arm up and down. Let's go to the other side, thread the needle, left arm up and scoop underneath your right arm. Press your right arm up in front of you and relax. Enjoy this twisting of your spine and your body. Take a few breaths here. Good, and release. Bring your right arm up. Press up for support. Release that twist and come down. Wonderful job. Back into child's pose. Gently come up. Tuck your hips under and come down. You may feel a little crunch in your back. So stretch back into child's pose and come up around your back. Tuck your hips under and come into a cobra. Very nice. Let's try 2 more of these. Stretch back and come up. Good. 1 more. And release. Very nice. And come back to child's pose. Let's stretch out your wrists here. Lift your wrists up. Press your fingers into the mat. Continue to breathe. Very nice. Great job. Let's stretch our back out a little bit more. Do some rocks from side to side. You did a wonderful job. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Let's go ahead and come down on our mat for a final reset. Bring your knees toward your chest. Let's rock from side to side. I'm very proud of you. You did a great job today. Very, very nice. And for our final reset, we will return to our knees being bent. Hands over your belly. Inhale. Exhale. Let's relax just for a moment. Again, allowing your back to sink deep into the floor. Good. Inhale. Exhale, blow it out. Wonderful job. Go ahead and swing your legs over to the side. And when you're ready, gently push yourself up to a seat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that this gentle practice unlocked stiffness, eased your back pain, and relaxed your body. If you are just starting out or returning back to your gentle practice, I do have a free 5-day gentle yoga guide that I would love for you to try out. You can subscribe also to my monthly newsletter so you know ahead of time on what's coming up for the month. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.